Let us shout out the window. Nah, I'm going on endo. Nigga keep talking about that. I'ma keep fucking with hoes on the back. Hey, bitch, he keep talking like I'm a rapping. Now he clapping. Hey, I got his girl clapping. Now he rapping. Now I'm just rapping. Now he's trying to dab it. Nigga on me, I'ma tap it. Nigga on me like a basketball player, I'ma tap it. Yo, fucking these hoes, fucking these bitches. They all over my clothes. Fuck it. I don't give a damn. What the fuck these niggas say? Pussy ass at the gate. Hold on. Then I left some bait with the blood trace. Then the nigga was trying to for face. I'm just trying to ride. I'm just trying to be smooth. But this bitch was talking. This was lacking. It was lacking. This nigga was clapping. This bitch was clapping. Got the Draco at your face. Shoot him in the face, he gon' run out of place. Where's the place? Give me the safe. Ha, he ran out of place. Ooh, I got a great card. I'm gonna AR. I think my chopper is gay. Came out the closet every day. Gra, 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 bitch, gra, bitch, bitch. These hoes keep on talking, these niggas keep on walking. I'ma just keep on walking and stalking. Keep talking, they keep on knocking. They keep on knocking at my door. Ooh, shorty she want more. Shorty she want Dior. Shorty she all in the stores. I am all in the stores. I'ma go back, I'ma fin in the raw. I'ma go back, I'ma sit in the raw. Yeah, I got the Rari, you know I got the Scary. Yeah, I got the car. Like me Fortnite, got the golden scar. You know me, I'm a ride. Like I'm a tiger, I'm a ride. Keep talking, I'm making them drop. Like drop 4. They keep talking, I'm making them ride. I'm making them raw. Bitch, she was screaming out the bathroom because of how I hit. I just fucked another bitch and now she all over my dick. Ooh, 2 more hoes, all in my clothes. Pretty bitches go. Yeah. Oh, I got 2 hoes. Spin again when I hit her right in the clothes. I'ma go back, get the sock on it, then I go back, ran out of bed. I'ma go back. I'm from the darkness like I'm Batman. Nigga, fuck. Nigga, don't play with me. I put your ass on TV, on the news. Reporter, he is dead. Now he's dead. Found his body in the lake. We don't have any reporter for him. Let's see. Let's check the news report. See, let's go back to Jeff. Fox 8 News, you already know it. Tuning in tonight. This guy got dropped off the bridge from who knows who. But we all know. Fox 8 News, tune in tomorrow at 9. Peace out.